If you're visiting Kuala Lumpur or staying here, there's actually a really easy way to reach one of the city's most popular lifestyle destinations, IKEA. I took public transport, MRT, to MRT Cochrane Station, and the whole journey already feels so comfortable. Air conditioned, smooth, no stress, just a normal KL train ride. After exiting the station, it's just a short 2-minute covered walkway straight to IKEA Cheras. No traffic jam, no stress, just follow the signboard. And honestly, it is so easy. I noticed something interesting. The smaller Swedish Café is located on the ground floor, mostly quick bites, pastry and coffee for people stopping by. But the main IKEA restaurant is actually upstairs on the first floor. We ordered the salmon fillet and the chicken chop. The chicken was tender and juicy, although the black pepper sauce was slightly salty for our taste. The salmon was soft, flaky and lightly seasoned, without feeling too heavy. We really liked the mushroom soup, thick, creamy and comforting. Don't miss out the egg tart. It is smooth, silky, custard filling and lightly crispy. This is one of the living rooms set up inside the showroom. You can even follow some of the decoration ideas or buy something back here if you're looking for inspiration at home. I found a small sofa that was soft, comfortable and had a simple modern look. home, we make one final stop at the Swedish bistro for ice cream, hot dogs, and the curry puff. Let's get our ice cream. Originally, the ice cream here was soy-based and cost only 70 cents back in 2018. Now it has changed to oat-based ice cream and costs higher 1 ringgit and 20 cents, but it is still smooth, creamy and delicious. The curry puffs were also worth trying, 7 ringgit 80 cents for 6 pieces, crispy on the outside with a warm savory filling inside. The experience itself was really enjoyable, from the easy MRT journey to the food and showroom ideas inside. If you enjoy simple explorations around Kuala Lumpur, feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next trip.